Hey folks, welcome to another training video. Today we'll be discussing one of the simplest and most straightforward gadgets available within the system, the URL Shortener Gadget. Let's go into the system and take a look at why I call it so simple. Alright, so here we are inside of OU Campus. Right off the bat, I'm going to open up the Gadget sidebar. The URL Shortener Gadget resides in the sidebar and is visible wherever we are in the system. Though most of its usefulness comes when I'm editing a page, you can still shorten a URL at any time in case you need to use it outside of OU Campus, for example. So let's go to a page and insert a link into an editable region. So I've got my editable region pulled up, and perhaps this is more of an outward-facing page on my university site that's going to get a lot of outside visitors. As such, I want to make sure that it looks nice. Extremely long URLs can be unsightly if they're visible on a page, so let's go ahead and get one of those long URLs and shorten it. I've got this support site page pulled up here in another tab, and we can see that it's got a pretty long URL. Let me just go ahead and copy it, and then next I will go to my other tab and place it in my editable region here, just for the sake of seeing how long it would be if I were to just paste that in straight up. Pretty long, huh? Well, now let's go ahead and use the gadget. Opening it up, I will paste that same URL into the field in the gadget, then click the little wand icon. The shortener will run almost instantly. We will get a nice short URL. Now I can either highlight this new URL, copy it, and paste it into my region, just like I did there, or I can simply drag and drop this box into my editable region, and the link will be pasted wherever I drop the box. And there we have it. I've got a much shorter URL to work with now, which will probably look a little bit more presentable on my page or anything like that. So let's quickly recap all that you need to know for this gadget. The URL Shortener Gadget is found on the Gadget sidebar. Paste long URLs into the gadget, and the gadget will shorten them for you. You can then copy and paste the new URL, or drag and drop it into the appropriate location on the new page. See? I wasn't kidding when I said it was simple and straightforward. Hope that you enjoyed this extra short video. Thanks for watching.